We were strangers, starting out on a journey. Never dreaming what we'd have to go through. Now here we are, and I'm suddenly standing at the
Congratulations to our graduates and completers. Matud pa nila, layo pa. Pero layo na. Malayo pa pero malayo na. Graduate na kayo sa elementary at junior high school. Maaring malayo pa ang college, pero nasaan ba kayo ilang taon ang nakalipas? Lahat ng paglalakbay ay nagsisimula sa maliit na hakbang. Malayo na ang narating nyo at malayo pa ang mararating nyo kapag nagsumikap kayo. With that, I hereby declare this house graduation and completion exercises officially open. Welcome everyone and maayong buntag ka natong tanan.
No one told me I was going to find you. Unexpected, what you did to my heart. When I lost hope, you were there to remind me this is the start.
I know that all of you here are aware of that. It's a big, hard world out there, but I am confident enough that you are now ready for it. You are ready because there is nothing more powerful than you. Just remember this, you don't become what you want, you become what you believe. Kaya magtiwala kayo sa sarili ninyo, ang kakayahan, gamit ang karunungan na nakamit ninyo ngayon. Gawin ninyong gabay sa pagpatuloy na paggawa ng mabuti para sa pamilya at sa community where you belong. That's all, and thank you very much. Good morning sa lahat.
we were strangers.
Education is a very powerful tool, no? Powerful tool para makabag-o sa atong kinabuhi, makabag-o sa atong kaugmaon. Nag-concentrate ka sa education because education can take you to places, no? Gamita kung unsa ang inyong natun-an dinhi and use it responsibly, no? Para sa kaayuhan sa atong komunidad, atong i-pay forward. Ang kami sa City Government of Cagayan de Oro, uban sa DepEd, and uban dinhi sa atoang Bureau of Jail and Management, kanunay nagpalikod sa inyo mutabang para makabot po ninyo ang inyong mga damgo.
Easy adventure.
Never dreaming how our dreams would come true. Now here we stand, unafraid of the future.
At the beginning with you.
And life is a road.
Ang gikinahanglan, ang kausaban magsugod sa tagsa-tagsa, magsugod sa tagsa-tagsa kanatong tanan, kaninyong tanan.